Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw Nuki Smart Lock account from the USA, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your Nuki Smart Lock account from the USA, start by opening the Nuki app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into the account you wish to withdraw. Navigate to the settings menu, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Look for the option labeled account or profile. Tap on it to access your account details. Scroll down to find the option for Delete Account or Withdraw Account. Select this option to proceed with the account withdrawal process. You may be prompted to verify your identity for security purposes. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification. Once verified, confirm your decision to delete or withdraw your account. Keep in mind that this action is usually irreversible. After confirmation, your account will be scheduled for withdrawal. You may receive a confirmation email regarding the account status. Make sure to check your email for any further instructions. Your account should now be in the process of withdrawal. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Nuki support section within the app for assistance. Once your account has been successfully withdrawn, you will no longer have access to your smart lock features. It's advisable to remove any devices associated with your Nuki account prior to withdrawal. This ensures that your smart lock will no longer be controlled through the app. Check any linked services or integrations to ensure they are also removed. After completing these steps, your Nuki Smart Lock account will be fully withdrawn from the USA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.